As well as being creators, you've likely integrated automation or AI solutions into your business. Can you share how that's helped you scale and grow your business? And Philippe, maybe
Yes,
we'll start with you. My
I can.
apologies. Yeah.
I can start. Of course, I talked about AI integrated with our product through Mission Vision. So that as part of our product, our integrators and our and customers will use AI in the machines. But ourselves, we are a manufacturer here in Canada, and so we have some processes that are well automated at this point, such as the CNCs and the manufacturing of the actual parts, as well as the electronics line, the SMT line. But we are still, to this day, manually assembling a lot of the robots, or a lot of the parts of the robots. So we're looking at using our own robots to start, basically automating some of the processes. So on the manufacturing side, that is definitely, a big element. And we should have the expertise. We have the expertise, but now we're at a point where we have to manage growth and we have to automate the whole process, not just part of the process. So that's one thing. But of course, in the business itself, we have an ERP that we just implemented last year. We have a CRM that has been implemented a while back, but both of them offer quite a bit of automation tools that have to be implemented. They don't come, they have to be consciously used by us and put in place. So, a very easy example, as we get POs now, we don't touch them at all. There's an OCR technology that basically recognizes everything and it's basically inputted into the system right away with no human intervention. So that's very simple, but those are the types of things that we're looking at. And finally, I would say we're a Google shop. So a smaller company, often some smaller companies sometimes are with Google rather than Microsoft, and so we use Google products, and we've started to use Gemini, their AI platform, and Gemini Enterprise specifically, and we're toying around with AI agents. Of course, it's early in the process, but we want to make sure that we learn and we try things and we see what it can do for us. We're not really worried about AI replacing us, but we're worried about our competition using AI and getting ahead of us. So we're definitely always trying to see what we can do with automation technology for the business.